Yeah, so here we are. I'm doing the test. I got the, you can see this. This is not trick photography. And next to that penny is an 0603. I'm going to hit record right now. So that's recording. Okay. So, yeah. You can see. Look at the distance on this. Look at this. It's 1 foot. It's a 1 foot ruler. That's an engineering scale. That's impressive. I don't know about the 2 feet. I might have been a little off. But hell, 1 foot is pretty impressive. And there's a lot of glare on this, so. Yeah. There's a lot of glare, so we can compare it to the actual recording on there. But the thing is check this out. The thing is, check this out here. It's not just focused on the center. The whole thing is in focus. The whole screen. That doesn't happen usually with, see, I can't even focus in on that yet. So, I can't work through the camera here. But yeah, that's where we are here. It's not too bad. I think that'll work. So that's recording. Okay. So yeah, you can see. Look at the distance on this. Look at this. It's 1 foot. It's a 1 foot ruler. That's an engineering scale. There's a lot of glare, so we can compare it to the actual recording on there. But the thing is, check this out. The thing is, check this out here. It's not just focused on the center. The whole thing is in focus. The whole screen. That doesn't happen usually with, see, I can't even focus in on that yet. I wonder if I can use my magnifying lens again. I doubt it. Oh, wow. Check that out. Yo. The combination of that plus my magnification. Holy cow. But every time I move around, it shakes the camera a little bit. Look at that. You can read. Yeah, but now I don't have any working distance with this. But that's even that's pretty impressive at 1 foot. Well, I got a sample board here. It's an old board. It didn't work. This is from like 3 years ago. Regardless, we're gonna solder a 32 pin quad flat pack in its place. As you can see, they've already been tinned from. It's just something I had laying around. I got a component here. Zoom in a little bit, seeing that we can. I got all this headroom, right? And let's see if we can get this aligned. think there we got it. Might look a little out because of the angle, but we're dead on. Alright, so I'm gonna hold this down. And I'm gonna relocate it. Alright, let's put a drop here. I don't know if we can see that. Tend my tip here. I don't think I've moved. I don't think. I'm just going to tack down one corner here. On the left. And again, I'm going to hold it down. Drop the flux. One tack. And now we solder. So I'm going to reflux. Clean the tip again. And we proceed. I can't tell if that last one has a bridge. I think it does. Let's get another one done. Flux on the tip again. Most boards come pre-tinned, you know. Alright. There's that. I probably don't even have to add solder to my tip. I'm actually wiping most of it off. That last one's got more solder than the rest of them, doesn't it? Let's get another drop on there. I'll be clean and do inspection. I'm looking for bridges. I'm checking for proper fillets. Checking for alignment. But yeah, that looks dead on. Okay, so that's a 32 pin quad flat pack with drag soldering. Okay, there's that. Thanks for watching.